Train today, excel tomorrow. Welcome back, everyone. It's great to have you here.
Today we're going to take a moment to share with you about a recent conversation that was had with our HR manager. During our meeting, she mentioned that there were a few questions that our onboarding admin had and we were able to resolve them quickly. She also shared that her team has had no attendance issues and by the end of the week they will be fully trained. The HR manager has identified 3 main areas of focus for next week. First, she will be conducting test interview runs with personas for her recruitment team to ensure they are prepared to interview for the following week. Personas are fictional characters that represent a specific type of customer or user. They are used in business to help understand the needs, behavior, and goals of different segments of customers. Personas are created by conducting research, such as conducting interviews, surveys, or analyzing data, to gather information about customer demographics, behavior, and pain points. The point of using personas in business is to help companies understand their target audience better and to create more effective marketing, product development, and customer service strategies. By creating detailed personas, companies can tailor their communication and offerings to specific groups of customers, resulting in higher conversion rates and customer satisfaction. Personas also help companies identify areas where they may be missing out on potential customers and opportunities for growth. Additionally, personas help to align different departments of the company to a common understanding of the target customer, so that everyone can work towards a common goal. Personas are also useful in recruitment by understanding the personas of the potential candidates and the personas of the position that is being recruited for. The interviewer can better align the questions and the expectations of the role. Anna, our HR manager, will be preparing our HR admin, Neha, to gain access to our hiring profiles and showing her the proper way to hire our staff. She will also start to check the roster to see which new hires we have coming on board. Finally, she will be connecting the HR recruiters with the team managers and encouraging them to connect with each other on a one-to-one basis since they'll be working closely together. This will ensure that there is a smooth and seamless process for onboarding new hires and that everyone is on the same page. She will also prepare her recruiters with the questions they will be running through and start to shadow her as she connects with potential new hires. Overall, I am very impressed with the HR manager's attention to detail and her dedication to ensuring that our new hires have the best possible experience when joining our company. I'm excited to see the positive impact these efforts will have on our organization.
If you visited the w.r.a.c website or have worked for this organization, you understand why this work is so important to each and every one of us. Please visit, follow, and subscribe to us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok at w.r.a.c Resumes. You can check us out on LinkedIn at w.r.a.c Resumes and Connections and follow the owner's personal page. You can also follow us on Twitter at w.r.a.c_resumes. We have a new Fab-based page and a second TikTok page called Career Catcher where we discuss corporate training. Don't forget to check out our website. And be sure to email us any questions you may have.